If you're getting frustrated because you can't figure out how to put this box back in its original carrying case, then don't worry, I got you. I'm going to take you step by step, showing you the easiest way on how to fold it all back together neatly so it fits exactly where it was before. Hola photography practitioners, I'm Andres Perez de San Antonio, and the great thing about this box is that you do not have to remove the diffuser, either inside or out. Just leave it where it is, fold it up. That next time, when you open it, it's going to save you that time that you don't have to set up anymore. Now, first thing we want to do is we want to take off the flash because we don't want to accidentally drop it. Then we're going to remove it off the stand. So all you got to do is loosen it up. There you go. And it'll come right off. Then all you got to do is remove this S bracket, which, remember, you just got to pull it down here. There we go. And it comes right out after you get one out. Now remember, you don't got to take this off, so all you got to do is fold it by getting two edges together and pushing it together. So this way, you can create your triangle. Now this is probably the most frustrating part. So, here's the trick. You see it says Godox down here, right? Turn it upside down. Okay. You're going to hold that with your left hand out like this. Okay. Now you may be tempted to get one of these corners. Don't do that. Instead, grab it from the middle, come in the opposite direction. You're like hugging it. All right, so you got it at the bottom, and then you're hugging it. Now, your hands are like this, right? What you're gonna do is you're gonna twist it in. Twist it. So you're gonna make a circle this way and then bring it in this way. So it's gonna look like this. Hold on to it and twist it. Now you can use your hip to hold it down. So one more time. Remember, face down, grab it from the middle. Right? I'm just gonna twist it. But once you got it, it's gonna look like this. So now, I personally put it back in its original carrying case because it's easy for it to open up, right? You don't want to get hurt. You don't want to knock anything down either, just in case you're carrying something. So now, if you're able to put it all back together, then make sure you give this video a like. But if you want more tips and tricks that'll make your life easier, then subscribe and ring the bell, because otherwise you will not get notified.